Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious and easy blueberry cobbler using cake mix. This blueberry cobbler is only made with 4 ingredients. Top it with some vanilla ice cream and you have yourself a perfect summer dessert. Trust me, when you guys try this, you're gonna love it. So let's get started. Begin by spreading 1 can of blueberry pie filling into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. I really love easy shortcut desserts like this, especially when I host, because I spend most of my time making the main dishes, which leaves me not wanting to spend too much time on dessert. And this is now one of my go-to dessert recipes, and trust me, when you guys try this, you're gonna love it. You're gonna not wanna make a cobbler any other way. We're going to also be using 1 cup of fresh blueberries. Spread about a half cup of blueberries over the pie filling. We'll save the other half for later. Another one of my favorite shortcut desserts is using boxed brownies. I just doctor it up by adding a couple more tablespoons of oil to make it nice and moist and a cup of chocolate chips. Top it with some vanilla ice cream and it's so delicious. Next, we'll be using 1 box of yellow cake mix. Go ahead and sprinkle it evenly over the blueberries. Using pre-packaged cake mix makes life a little more simpler, right? Less mess and less dishes to wash. What are your easy to make go-to dessert recipes? I'd love to know. Leave me a comment below. Next, slice 1½ sticks of butter, which is 12 tablespoons, and place it over the cake mix. You want to make sure the top is covered with butter slices. And lastly, sprinkle over the rest of the blueberries. What I like to do is put it in the oven while you and your guests are having dinner, and when you're done, dessert is ready for you. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees and bake for about 40 to 45 minutes until the crust is nice and golden. Okay, I just pulled it out of the oven. Time to serve it up. This is best served warm with some vanilla ice cream kind of melting on top. You guys just have to try this. It's just that good. The blueberry pie filling mixed with the fresh blueberries and that buttery crust we made with the cake mix, it's just so yummy. And my favorite part is when the ice cream just melts on top. You guys don't forget to check out all my other dessert recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.